So I'm Jeff Martin. I'm the program manager for the Gross Reservoir Expansion program. I'm a civil engineer. I'm a 99 CU alum.
I try to bring in external speakers to let the students know what they could encounter in the real world when they would graduate with a degree in civil engineering.
We're looking at tripling the size of the reservoir. It's 42,000 acre feet right now.
Jeff first came to my introduction to civil engineering class last year, and I was really happy that he wanted to come back again this year and that I could also engage him in the senior level class.
Is the one at Strontius Springs Dam. Over on the right is Williams Fork Dam.
A couple years ago, when I became the program manager for the Gross Reservoir Expansion, I thought, what a great opportunity. I visited Gross Reservoir when I was a student at CU Boulder and thought such a great opportunity to give back. As civil engineers, our purpose is to provide the foundation for civilization.
And that's interesting because how we're going to build the dam is totally different than this. We're actually going to build it horizontally.
I get to introduce one particular aspect of this, and in this case, dams. And dams are really interesting. What we do has lasting impact on society. This is, what civil engineering does, and by doing this, we provide this benefit. What's not more inspirational or passionate than water?
In our class, we talk about ethics, we talk about sustainability and resiliency. I think for the students, a lot of those non-technical topics don't seem very important. They haven't heard a lot about them. And so having someone sort of show how the technical of doing a dam project goes together with all these other issues, to me, hopefully helps motivate them to understand why it's important.
A lot of civil engineering projects is not just simply design projects with just simple calculations and designing a project. There's a lot more things that go around the project that aren't specifically engineering but are still important.
Is there like extra considerations you have to do because that water will that water will never end up back in Colorado?
That's an interesting question. So that's Colorado.
How do we do the social responsibility to make sure that how we build this structure really takes into account the impact or effect it may have on our neighbors, local residents, those around?
Commitment to collaboration and cooperation. We've been doing that for 15 years. That's why it took so long to get through our process.
I think a lot of times infrastructure is invisible. Like it's just working, everyone thinks it's great. And so when you really understand all the engineering that went into it, all the decision making, I think it just makes you appreciate it that much more.
We've been here for a little over a year now, working with CU Boulder. Hope to continue to do so. I really enjoy talking to the students. I really enjoy, providing and giving back what I've learned over the last 20 years of my career.
Thank you guys for paying attention.